Hello Natalie, this letter won't be cringy or soapy. That wouldn't be me or you or us. This letter is to tell you that I love you and to tell you that today I will be proud to call you my wife.
Cheers!
I have absolutely no doubt you will be looking absolutely stunning today, and I am looking forward to seeing what our day unfolds as much as I am looking forward to every day after it, spending it with you. Thank you for the last 5 years. June the 8th, 2019 at Boturich Castle, we finally made it. Love you forever.